Hi, I'm Ed Baldwin with your weekly wrap-up for Friday, January the 27th. Well, the grain and oilseed markets chopped back and forth this week, but managed to close a little higher. Rain fell in Argentina, raising the hopes that that crop there would stabilize. This weighed on corn and soybean prices until increased Russian aggression raised the fears of reduced Black Sea shipments and boosted prices. The wheat continued its back and forth trade as moisture that fell in the U.S. southern plains held prices down, while rising wheat prices in India lifted world wheat values. Canola, however, continued to struggle and finished the week lower on further long liquidation from thoughts that canola remains overvalued. The March canola contract was down this week, down $5.20 a ton, and it closed out at $807.70. The canola spent its week in negative territory as the long liquidation continued, with lower soybean oil and a higher Canadian dollar weighing on prices. The March soybean contract was up a little bit. It was up 3 cents, closing at $15.10. And March corn, well, it gained 7 cents a bushel and closed out at $6.83. The March oat contract was up 17 cents this week and closed out at $3.88. And our March Minneapolis spring wheat contract, well, it was up 9 cents for the week and closed at $9.22. The wheat started the week lower on moisture in the U.S. southern plains, but spillover support from the strength in corn, higher prices in Europe and India, and the increased Russian-Ukraine tensions helped the market move up by the end of the week. Our Canadian dollar this week, it was up 41 basis points, and it closed at 75.15. Crude oil, however, it slipped a little. It's down $1.96 a barrel and closed out at 79.68. For next week, well, China will be back in the market after their New Year lunar holiday. We'll be looking for a pickup in U.S. export sales. For canola, well, it did manage a late week rally, so we'll look to add to that next week. We'll look for the $800 area to hold as support and look for a move towards the $820 to $830 area. And for spring wheat, we'll look for prices to continue to strengthen and attempt to push past that $920 area and towards that $930 to $940. I'm Ed Baldwin with your weekly wrap-up for Friday, January the 27th.